It's All You Can Vegas. Hey everybody, it's Derek and I'm here at Ocean One Bar and Grill at the Miracle Mile Shops at Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas. Now what is amazing about Ocean One Bar and Grill is that they've got $5 lunch specials. Everything you see here on this menu board is $5. And it's available every day for lunch, every day, even holidays. This menu is quite extensive. There are like over 20 items here. The first few starters are, appetizers, wings, quesadilla, and then you got tacos, and then you got salads, sandwiches, wraps, and chef's specialties. Now this is probably where the real value is. Herb crusted chicken chop, grilled salmon, orecchiette pasta. I mean, all of this is for just $5. Another way I look at it, the benchmark for a $5 lunch is Subway. The Subway $5 footlong. So, I mean, anything here it's got to be better than that. In fact, I think that the thing that looks the best to me is actually this island salmon salad. It's 6 ounces of Atlantic salmon on a bed of fresh mixed garden greens with pistachios, orange segments, marinated red onions, and mango vinaigrette. Well, I mean, that's got to be better than Subway. And if you're looking for a lunchtime cocktail, they've got them here at Ocean One, 3 for $10. 3 cocktails. Well, that's a lot of cocktails, but $10. And what did I tell you? This definitely looks better than Subway. I mean, don't get me wrong, I like Subway, but this is the same price as a $5 footlong. $5. Now, I don't know how this is going to taste compared to Subway, but it's the only way to find out. That's a lot of salmon. This salmon is just perfectly cooked, and I'm not even a huge seafood fan. I think I'm starting to become one, especially if I can get it for $5. Pistachios, orange wedges. It's definitely more refreshing than a Subway footlong. I like Subway. I mean, I don't even know if you can buy this much of a piece of salmon in the grocery store for $5. Let alone all the rest of this salad. It tastes great. I'm actually shocked at how good this salmon is. Now I want to come back and have lunch here like all the time. They've got some fried chicken. They've got a hamburger. They've got appetizers too, like wings, quesadilla, and it's all $5. I mean, this is real salmon. Pretty sure about that. And I'm not always sure what I'm eating at Subway. I mean, there's a lot of deals to be had in Las Vegas, but there aren't as many as there used to be. But the $5 lunch at Ocean One at the Miracle Mile Shops at Planet Hollywood is definitely one of the best deals in Vegas. Hey, thanks for watching, everybody. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about Ocean One. And be sure to subscribe for more, because there's always more to eat. And it's all you can Vegas.